Welcome back. You know, every day I search the MLS looking for the newest properties that just hit the market. This is the same process or one of our buyer strategies we use with our clients. We look for the newest homes, but more importantly, we look for the ones where the buyer and the agent are ready to make a sale or a deal. Here's what happens. The process begins when the client gives me a call. Steph, I would like to see a property. So, as your agent, here's what I do behind the scenes for every buyer appointment. Here's why that strategy is so critical. You see, not every home online is ready for sale. Sometimes the agent won't answer the phone. Sometimes they want to wait a week. Sometimes the seller has little things that's being painted or whatever. The point is, we filter out these dead ones so we don't end up wasting time. Then I immediately call the agent and confirm the status. And then I'm going to ask these real questions here. Are the sellers serious about reviewing offers? What's the story on the home? What's the seller expecting? And is there room to negotiate? So by the time we walk into the appointment, I already know the whole situation on the property. And if you decide that this is the one for you and you want to write an offer, I can tell you exactly what you're walking into and how to position yourself to win. This is one of the buyer strategies that works well today. If the home in this video is a match for you, moving fast can give you the advantage. I help my buyers move fast, ask the right questions, and get the offer in before the competition. You just saw the exact buyer strategy we use to jump the line on the new deals. When it's time for you to go look at properties, give me a call and let's get you set up the right way.